beautiful butterflies, how you doing? I have drawn the winners for my giveaway, and I want to say congratulations to Christina Sanders and congratulations to Brianna Davis. Christine, you are the first place winner. You get to choose what you want first, and the Brianna, you get whatever's left. I would need you guys' names, addresses, so I can get these packed and shipped when I get paid. So you can Facebook message me, which is Rebekah Dill, or you can send an email to my princess Sapphire 1985 @gmail.com. Thank you guys, and congratulations.